Hi everybody, welcome to Moo Moo Cow Toys. Today we have the new Shopkins Happy Places blind packs to open. They're the new line of collectible Petkins based around furniture and home accessories. They come with 3 Petkins and 1 tile in each box. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. They look like cardboard mover boxes. And we rip that open, and let's open and check it out. So it comes with 1 floor tile. We got a yellow one. And that's the flyer that shows all the different collections that you can get. So there's Puppy Parlor, Bathing Bunny, Dreamy Bear, all sorts of things that we're going to see in the flyer and the different Petkins we can collect. Kitty Kitchen. And there are also limited edition heirloom Petkins too. So this is a good thing to keep around. Let's open this up and see what we get inside. Looks like this is magazine rack. Oh, so cute. You put all the magazines inside. Alright, next up, we have a pink magazine to put in that rack. Very cool. Okay, and the next one. Looks like a cactus pot plant. That's a pretty cool cactus pot plant. It's blue and it has a little pink ball on top of the cactus. That's pretty neat. Alright, let's set that down right there and let's get to our next delivery box. Yes, let's open that one up. Looks like we have another yellow tile. Alright, let's get those blind packs out and open that up. Looks like we have a broom and pan from Puppy Parlor. You could just, I guess, hook that little broom onto the pan right there and it stays together. That's pretty neat. Nice, let's set that right there and check out our next one. Looks like it's a wood block. You could put that in the wood holder, I bet. Hopefully we get a wood holder next. Alright. Yes, we got the wood holder for our wood block. Alright, a pink wood holder. Very cool. Alright, let's open up the next box. Looks like we have a purple tile. Nice. Alright, can't wait to open this up. Cool, looks like we have Scoop from Kitty Kitchen. It's a pink scoop, neat. Alright, let's set that down over there. Check out the next one. Oh, so cute, that's scales. It's so cute and tiny. Little scales. And little strawberries to go on the scales. Aww. 2 strawberries to go on that scale. Very cool. Alright, next up. Let's do it. Ooh, pink tile. Let's open that blind pack out to see what we get inside this one. Looks like it's a mirror from Dreamy Bear. It has a little stand right there. Put that right there. Very cool. And next, we have lipstick. Pink lipstick. Cute. So tiny too. Looks like we have a makeup box to put that lipstick in. That's for sure. A pink and white makeup box. Has a little handle on top too. And you can open it up. Yep. To store all your makeup goodies. Very cool. Alright, let's get to the next one. Purple tile. Alright. And let's open this up. Looks like this is a cake tin from Kitty Kitchen. Little kitty right there on the cake tin. Alright. And then we have cake. We have cake. Yes, we have cake to go in that cake tin. There's a slice of cake missing from this cake though. That's so cute. Maybe we'll find that slice here. Oh, yes we did. We found a cake slice. The missing cake slice. Haha. Alright, let's set it right there. And we will go to our last box to open. Oh, a blue tile. Nice. Let's open this up. I think we have a completely different room of Petkins. Okay. Looks like this is hand soap. Very cute. From the bathing bunny room. And this is moisturizer in a purple bottle. Nice. And let's check out our very last one. Looks like it's bubble bath. On the bottom you can see little bubbles. Oh, bubble bath. So tiny. Okay, so that finishes our opening of the Shopkins Happy Places blind packs. I put the floor tiles together with all the little Petkins on it. Let me know which is your favorite Petkin by leaving a comment below. I really love scales and strawberries. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everybody. See you later.